The journey of a t-shirt begins with raw cotton bales arriving at the factory. Powerful machines tear open the dense bales, releasing the natural fibers. Raw cotton is gently fluffed and separated, preparing it for processing. The fluffed cotton then feeds into the primary ginning machines to remove seeds. Carding machines align the cotton fibers, forming soft rope-like slivers. Each sliver is carefully collected, ready for the next stage of refinement. Combing further purifies the cotton, removing shorter fibers and impurities. Multiple slivers are then combined and drawn out on a draw frame for uniformity. The refined sliver is attenuated into a thinner roving, gently twisted onto bobbins. Ring spinning frames rapidly twist the roving into strong, fine yarn. An extreme close-up reveals the delicate transformation of fibers into thread. Open-end spinning offers another method to create durable yarn with high efficiency. The newly spun yarn is then wound onto larger cones for easier handling. Circular knitting machines rapidly interlace yarn, creating continuous tubes of fabric. From above, the steady growth of knitted fabric descends, forming a soft cascade. Finished fabric tubes are carefully rolled onto cores, preserving their integrity. Flatbed knitting machines produce specialized ribbed fabric, often for cuffs and collars. Raw knitted fabric is immersed in steaming vats for scouring and cleaning. A bleaching bath purifies the fabric, preparing it for vibrant coloration. Large vats of richly colored dyes transform the fabric's natural hue. The dye permeates every fiber, giving the fabric its distinct, lasting color. The freshly dyed fabric emerges from drying ovens, releasing clouds of steam. Compacting machines stretch and set the fabric, ensuring its final dimensions and texture. Large bolts of finished fabric are neatly stacked, a spectrum of textile potential. Quality control inspectors meticulously examine the finished fabric for any imperfections. Automated spreading machines meticulously layer vast quantities of fabric for cutting. A precise CAD system projects cutting patterns directly onto the stacked fabric layers. Automated cutting machines swiftly slice through hundreds of fabric layers with precision. The oscillating blade creates perfectly shaped garment components with incredible accuracy. Workers efficiently sort and stack the precisely cut fabric pieces, preparing for assembly. Skilled operators guide fabric pieces under rapidly moving needles, forming the first seams. Overlock machines provide durable, professional finishes to the t-shirt's edges. Specialized machines along the assembly line efficiently attach crucial components like collars. Each sleeve is expertly attached to the t-shirt body, contributing to its form. Automated machines precisely create functional details, such as buttonholes. The final seams are stitched, completing the basic construction of the t-shirt. Automated screen printing presses apply intricate designs and logos onto the t-shirts. Printed t-shirts pass through drying ovens, curing the ink for lasting vibrancy. Every finished t-shirt undergoes a meticulous final quality check before packaging. The t-shirts are neatly folded, tagged, and packaged, ready for distribution worldwide.